Genesis has announced the pricing and packaging for one of its all-electric vehicles in the US, the 2023 Electrified GV70. It's the first-ever Genesis model to be assembled stateside. Are you ready for the ultimate automotive experience? Our channel brings you the latest news, reviews, and insights from the world of cars. If you love cars and want to stay up to date on the latest happenings, hit that subscribe button and join us on the road. Before a mandatory destination charge of $1,125, the Electrified GV70 starts at $65,850 for the Advanced all-wheel drive model and $72,650 for the Prestige model. With it included, the totals are $66,975 and $73,775. The Genesis Electrified GV70 is based on the award-winning GV70 platform and is Genesis' third electric vehicle after the GV60 SUV and the Electrified G80 executive sedan. The new model has a roomy and well-appointed interior, refined performance, and a slew of technologies designed specifically for electric vehicles. The GV70 comes with all-wheel drive as standard, just like the electric G80. When more power is not needed, this system switches intelligently to two-wheel drive, improving fuel economy. It is important to note that the dual motors in this high-end SUV are equipped with boost mode, which offers a peak output of 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The class-leading standard features and technologies of the Electrified GV70 Advanced all-wheel drive, which has an MSRP of $66,975, include a 77.4 kilowatt-hours battery, an electronically controlled suspension with road preview, a set of 20-inch alloy wheels, among others. Safety is always a priority, so the Electrified GV70 Advanced comes equipped with every advanced driver assistance system and safety feature that is currently available. The Electrified GV70 Prestige, on the other hand, has an MSRP of $73,775 and includes Nappa leather seating surfaces, a leatherette wrapped upper instrument panel, a microfiber suede headliner, a head-up display, a 3D instrument cluster, premium audio, active noise control, heated second-row seats, and manual rear door shades. Genesis has stated that all new models will be all-electric beginning in 2025, and that the company's entire vehicle lineup will be electric by 2030. Furthermore, the Korean brand is aiming for carbon neutrality across its operations by 2035. Thanks for watching and supporting our channel. If you love this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. We are always bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of cars, so don't miss out. Thanks again.